Hi beautiful friends, welcome back to Sisters Me. Today, me and my mom are going to show you how to do puffy space buns.
Alright, so spritz down the hair a little bit just to get it a little wet. And then you want to part the hair right down the middle. Keep the head nice and straight and part the hair all the way down the middle, all the way to the back. And we'll tie out this section because we're not working with this, just so it doesn't get in our way on the other side. And tilt the head this way. You want to spritz the front so you don't have any flyaways. And just brush all the hair into a ponytail. You're gonna want it high, however you like. If you want your buns higher, then you want to make your ponytail a little bit higher up top. If you want it lower on the bottom side behind the ear, you can put your ponytail there. Once you get it to the desired location, tie it down with a ponytail, with a ponytail holder. And now what you'll do is you have to make sure you brush your hair all the way out so there aren't any knots in there to make it easier on yourself. But see how if you were to just roll this into a bun up here, her hair is the bun will be kind of small, it won't look as nice. So what you do is you take a little piece of hair at a time and you want to tease it so that the hair has more volume. And you just take a little strand of hair, bring it up, take your comb, and just gently brush down to create that volume.
And just swipe up.
And just gently pull it down. It'll tease the hair. See how some of this is starting to get real puffy?
Or you can stick your little string of hair and comb it up really slowly when you do it.
And you just continue to do it with all of the hair. You also want the hair to be dry when you're doing this. It's just easier to tease the hair because if the hair is wet, it'll be a lot harder to tease. You see the difference between this side and this side? There's a lot more poof in this side. Next, you will just grab your hair together and kind of twist it in a little bit, twist it towards the front of the head, and just gently wrap it around. And to pin the hair in, all you need are just little bobby pins. You don't need a lot, just a couple. And then you do the same for the other side. See how puffy that is? Look how cute that is.
Do you like my hairstyle? Tell me in the comment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!